Good morning, traders. Jefferson Vossi here with Walsh Trading. It is a couple ticks here after 7:45 here in the morning. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Sometimes we call this Turnaround Tuesday. We'll have to wait and see what how the markets treat everyone here today. Please keep in mind, futures trading does involve substantial amounts of risk. Certainly not suitable for all traders, investors, or producers. So let's take a look at the markets here, see what happened here yesterday, what happened overnight, and what may happen here for the rest of the day, perhaps. Starting off here, like I always do, Fat Cattle December contract up 222 here yesterday. New contract highs, new contract high close. Live cattle were definitely in the driver's seat here yesterday. Now that marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days up here in a row. Market is relatively overbought here. Stochastics 97 and 93 here at the moment. MACD's pointing higher. Volume's been fairly decent here over this little run up that we've had here. But it's Tuesday. We are ripe for a little bit of profit taking. I don't see that any sign that it really wants to do that here just yet. Wait till I get the feeder cattle chart. I would see support here against the previous contract high, which was 243.57, about $1.25 or so lower than where we closed here. Beyond that, look for the 5-day average is 240.75, about well, $4 lower exactly. So those are the two support levels that I would expect the market to hold, even if we do pull back here. Look for buying opportunities. I like this market here from the long side. November feeders here up 82 yesterday, 376.72. Kind of posting a little bit of an equilibrium day. Not quite exactly a textbook doji, but we opened at 376.60, closed at 76.72. Close enough for an equilibrium day here in my eye. Volume dropped off a little bit here yesterday in November feeders. January didn't quite post the equilibrium day that November did, but both of them, regardless, you've got higher highs, higher lows. It does concern me a little bit here that the November contract did post that equilibrium day here yesterday. If we see a directional close below yesterday's low, which was 373.37. Basically, if we see the market close at that 5-day moving average or lower, might be ripe for a little bit of profit taking. But the market trend is up. Market is very overbought, 96 and 94 respectively on stochastics. MACD's pointing up as well. Finishing off the livestock here with the lean hogs up 82 this morning, 84.85. You did have higher highs, higher lows here yesterday. Did get some selling pressure when we got up above that 5-day average. That's going to give you some resistance at the 85.10. Here's where that number finished yesterday's trade. 100 days giving you some support the last 3 sessions here, Thursday, Friday, Monday. Been trading right around that 84.75 or so area, which is right near where that 100-day is. Corn market continues to leach a little bit lower. My charts flipped to the sell side here with the 5 and 10-day moving averages making a bearish crossover yesterday. Down another penny here this morning, adding to the 2.25 cents that they dropped here yesterday. Corn's not exactly zooming, but it is slowly leaching lower here. Currently at the lowest level here after we finish the overnight session since we've had here since late August. Not a particularly bullish sign. 50-day moving average that kind of held support here over the last month and a half was broken here with Friday's trade. Haven't really been back to testing a little bit yesterday, but not a significant test of it, and the market just keeps leaching lower. Same thing here with soybeans this morning. 5-10-day moving average crossing over to the bearish side here with today's trade here at the moment. Crossing over with the bearish side with today's trade here at the moment. Trading at the lowest we've been here roughly since October 1st. Not a particularly strong sign here at the moment. Soybeans look like they do want to head lower. Allegedly, we'll get export inspection numbers here this morning from the USDA, but I have not seen those. Everything that would be released is going to be delayed by a day because of Columbus Day here yesterday. Soy meal flipped to the sell side here with yesterday's trade, dropped 90 cents yesterday. Today it's up 20, 274.30. Seasonally, soy meal and soybean, soy meal especially, but bean oil as well, they do tend to rally this time of year, but we're not seeing any real seasonal uptick. I mean, all the grains, corn, soybeans, wheat, bean oil, soy meal, they all tend to rally here this time of year, but we're just not seeing that here at the moment. December soybean oil is down 44.50.16 here this morning. Kind of a big range here, but yesterday's trade we were up 63, trading below both the 5 and the 10-day moving averages. Those look like they're about ready to flip over to the sell side here to me. Stochastics pointing lower prices here. You've got 200-day moving average, 48.94 is the next target to the downside. There is some support here right around this 50-cent mark. See if they can hold it. They've been holding it so far the last 3 sessions, today so far included. We'll see if that continues there. Chicago wheat new contract lows here today, down 3.5, 4.93 1/4. Yesterday dropped a penny and 3/4. KC wheat, same kind of thing, down 2 3/4, 4.78 New contract lows there. Don't see anything particularly bullish here in the wheat trade right now. The only other markets that I've got new signals in here today is the coffee market. It's up 16 bucks here, 401.20. Actually now 401.45 is the last I show. This is the highest we've been here since the middle of September, so we're basically making 1 month highs, give or take a day or two. Market's been kind of whippy here the last couple of days, but very bullish move here yesterday to start off the week, gaining 12.15, and we're adding 16.20 to it today. Other markets that have been in the news here lately, we've got a little bit of time here. This is a relatively shorter video. Gold market getting a little bit of profit taking here. It's down about 7.5, 8 bucks here at the moment, give or take some. We did spike up to a new high here, $4,190.90 an ounce. But at the moment, we're down about 7, 8 bucks. A little bit of profit taken here on perhaps a turnaround Tuesday. Silver market's down 78. This is a bigger push down, but same thing with gold. New contract highs here today, and that market got all the way up to 52.49. Coming right back here underneath that nice big fat round psychological $50 number. Market has found support so far here today from 48.69, which is roughly where you've got that 5-day moving average. 10-day moving average slightly below that here at 48.14. Overall, this market has been in an uptrend here since, well, my charts flipped bullish here August 25th. Don't really see that changing here just yet, although volatility has ramped up here in the last week. Sometimes it's a sign of markets getting close to a blow off top. And speaking of whippy, copper market down hard here last Friday. I lost, 22.5 cents or almost 23 cents. Yesterday up strong, gained 25. This morning back down 20 cents. The last 3 sessions here we've seen not quite identical ranges. The ranges are getting a little bit smaller here, but the market is really searching for a direction. We're below 100-day moving average support here right now. We'll see if the copper market can hold that. I do appreciate you folks listening. Stop back tomorrow. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You get notifications whenever we go live.